finding humour. There's a little bit of irony in this section because the original video from the archive where Art talked about finding humour broke, and we no longer have that, which is unfortunate. But what this habit is about, it's another one that we kind of all get. Like we all get to know what a bit of a laugh's about and all that sort of thing. But again, like responding with wonderment and awe, that I would change to seizing opportunities. This habit is another one that I would rename, because the finding humour, the finding the funny side, only happens after you've searched for the humour. And that's what someone who's very, very good at this habit of mine does. They search for, and indeed at times create, humour. And I remember talking to Art Costa about this habit of mine many years ago and asked him, why is this habit in there? And he said, this habit is in there because, or one of the reasons at least, is because Edward de Bono would argue that the ability to find humour, to search for, to create humour, is one of the highest forms of intelligence. That to be able to see things from different perspectives, to be able to choose the perspective that is unusual and insightful, to be able to put yourself in the audience's shoes, to recognise that they will be struck, they will be caught up in that moment, to find humour in it. To actually create that moment requires a great deal of thoughtfulness, and therefore de Bono would argue is one of the highest forms of intelligence, because it brings to bear all those other habits of mind. So when you think about this habit, go beyond just having a laugh at a joke. Ask yourself, how do you find humour? How do you search for that humour? And if you can get to the searching part, what do you do to create that humour? And that's what this habit is about. Not just having a laugh, it's about the active verb of searching and creating humour.